What I wish I knew in middle school about galaxies instead of worrying about algebra. Let's explore the universe. Galaxies are the universe's building blocks. Vast systems of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all held together by gravity. Imagine over 2 trillion of these cosmic cities scattered across the observable universe. They come in 3 main types: spiral, like our very own Milky Way with its swirling arms; elliptical, which are more like giant star balls; and irregular, the rebels with no set shape. Galactic collisions. They're like cosmic car crashes. They can reshape galaxies and spark new star formation. Our Milky Way is currently munching on the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy. Understanding galaxies isn't just cool. It's key to grasping the universe's history and mechanics. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, you're looking at the universe's grandest structures. How awesome is that? But let's dive deeper into what makes galaxies so fascinating. Imagine being in middle school and learning about these cosmic wonders instead of just focusing on algebra. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be explored. Galaxies are not just random collections of stars. They are the universe's building blocks. Vast systems of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all held together by gravity. Each galaxy is a unique and complex structure. Imagine over 2 trillion of these cosmic cities scattered across the observable universe. Each one is a bustling metropolis of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. Galaxies come in 3 main types: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Each type has its own unique characteristics and beauty. Spiral galaxies, like our very own Milky Way, have swirling arms that are filled with stars, gas, and dust. These arms are sites of active star formation. Elliptical galaxies, on the other hand, are more like giant star balls. They have a more uniform appearance and contain older stars. Irregular galaxies are the rebels with no set shape. They are often chaotic in appearance and can be the result of galactic collisions or other gravitational interactions. Speaking of galactic collisions, these events are like cosmic car crashes. When galaxies collide, they can merge and reshape, sparking new star formation in the process. Our Milky Way is currently munching on the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy. This interaction is a perfect example of how galaxies can influence each other. Understanding galaxies isn't just cool, it's key to grasping the universe's history and mechanics. By studying galaxies, we can learn about the formation and evolution of the universe. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, you're looking at the universe's grandest structures. How awesome is that? Let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of galaxies. Each galaxy contains millions or even billions of stars. Some of these stars have their own planetary systems, just like our solar system. The stars within a galaxy are not randomly distributed. They are often organized into structures such as spiral arms, bars, and halos. These structures are shaped by the gravitational forces within the galaxy. The vast number of galaxies in the universe means that there are countless opportunities for discovery. Each galaxy is a potential treasure trove of information about the cosmos. The diversity of galaxies is truly astounding. From the elegant spirals to the massive ellipticals and the chaotic irregulars, each type of galaxy offers a unique glimpse into the workings of the universe. Spiral galaxies, with their beautiful winding arms, are often the most visually striking. These arms are regions of active star formation, where new stars are born from clouds of gas and dust. Elliptical galaxies, while less flashy, are fascinating in their own right. They are typically older and contain less gas and dust, which means they have fewer new stars being formed. Irregular galaxies are the wild cards of the galaxy world. Their lack of a defined shape can be the result of gravitational interactions with other galaxies or internal processes that disrupt their structure. Galactic collisions are some of the most dramatic events in the universe. When galaxies collide, the gravitational forces at play can lead to the formation of new stars and even new galaxies. Our Milky Way's interaction with the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy is a prime example of how galaxies can influence each other. This ongoing collision is reshaping both galaxies and creating new star-forming regions. Studying galaxies is not just about understanding their structure and composition. It's also about uncovering the history of the universe. By examining galaxies, we can learn about the processes that have shaped the cosmos over billions of years. So next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the incredible structures that make up our universe. Galaxies are not just distant objects in space, they are the key to understanding the cosmos. How awesome is that?